In this short video, I'm going to show you how to flip text in Wix. Now, if you take a look on my website, you will see that I have three different texts right here on the homepage. And the reason for that is because there's three different ways you can flip text in Wix. And in the next 2 or so minutes, I'm going to show you how to do that all three ways. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor. And once you've done that, I want you to head over to the text you want to make flip and click on it. And then once the text is highlighted, you will see a bunch of different options appear either to the top of the text or below it, depending on where it's positioned. And the button I want you to click on is this animation button right here. Now, when it comes to flipping text, you can choose from three different animations. Entrance animation, which is basically when your website loads or when your user comes across the text for the first time. You have a looping animation, which basically is your text constantly being animation. And then you have a scroll animation, which is basically when you scroll, your text can animate in different ways. So since we are flipping this text, I'm going to quickly go for the default options of these, and then I'm going to show you how you can customize each one to your liking. So let's find the flip, which is right here. So as you can see, this is the default for the entrance. If you want to customize them, by the way, you can press this customize button here, and you can customize pretty much anything that you want, including the motion style, the direction, the duration, and the delay. Now, let's go to loop. Actually, this is going to be the loop one right here. So we're going to change this one to loop, and then where is it? Let me find it. Flip. There it is. Sorry, it took a bit of time. Then you can customize it as well. And then the last one is going to be the scroll animation for the flip, which should be near the bottom here somewhere. There it is. Flip. Now I'm going to customize it to preview on scroll. So then let's save this by exiting out of it, and then let's preview the website to see all three different types of flip animations in Wix. So as you can see, this one here was the standard entrance flip animation. This one here is just the standard loop animation. And then this one is when I scroll. So as you can see, it is flipping. And bear in mind that you can change the flipping direction. You can change pretty much anything that you want in that customization button that I showed you for each of these animations. So for example, you can make this one go faster. You can make it go slower. You can make it so that there is delay between the loop and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text flip in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.